pissed. What are we doing today, Bradley?
Well, I think we're looking at a Termi.
We are looking at a Termi. You know, I've never bought a project car before, but I feel like the time has come to do something like that. I think it'd be really good for the channel. Came up here yesterday to drop off a massive F-250, and Todd Gentry showed me this Cobra, and he was like, hey, you want to buy this Cobra? And I was like, well, what's wrong with this Cobra? He said the motor's knocking. That's all he said. No other information other than that. I told him I'd come back today, and to be honest, the price is right on this thing. So I don't know. So you're gonna check it out with me. Bradley, before he got here, I already opened the hood and kind of looked at some stuff. So like appearance wise, yes, does it look rough? Yeah, but like all this stuff that we see on here can be polished. Like all this stuff is, I'm not worried about the paint. There's a couple rock chips and whatnot. The top actually looks pretty damn good. I have not fired up this car yet. It said the motor's knocking, but it drove here. And I asked Todd, I was like, could I drive it to House of Boost? He was like, oh yeah, I think I would. So as soon as we open the hood, we see that it's not stock. Like it's got a different heat exchanger where they did some stenciling down here. Kind of the first thing I saw. This all looks absolutely chewed up. I don't know, it doesn't look bad, just, I don't know. Bradley, I don't know anything about all this stuff. This is all just cooling stuff that people can buy?
Yeah, it's a heat exchanger fluid and the actual coolant.
Yeah, coolant, heat exchanger fluid. So these tanks look nice.
Yeah,
so that's kind of a good
thing.
thing.
Polish up nice.
Right off the bat when I'm looking
pulleyed,
at this,
looks like.
It has been pulleyed. This is a ported blower. Larry over at House of Boost said this setup's good for 500 wheel horsepower. So you can see it's been ported by Stagmeyer. Actually, I don't know how to say that. So Stagmeyer. I know I'm gonna sound like an idiot because like I'm sure everyone back in the day, and I'm pretty sure they're the go-to for porting anyway. So yeah, it looks like we've got a ported blower on it. It does have a set of headers on it already with a full Bassani Extreme is what it says.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's got headers, Bassani Extreme. These are not factory valve covers,
no,
right?
They're not.
Kind
of cool. Got the Ford Racing on there.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Kind of neat.
I don't know why they did this green thing with this. Like,
yeah,
this green. I don't really know about these either.
Oh yeah, those are actually really common. People do those.
It looks like we have a set of injectors in here. Just by looking at these right here, Bradley. Like those are not. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
I can't tell what they are, but it definitely looks like it has a set of injectors in it. Injectors, ported blower. So this thing is definitely tuned.
And I see a map sensor on there, SVT.
Yes.
So it's definitely been tuned.
This thing has been tuned, which probably makes more sense with the rod knock or the motor knock, allegedly.
Yeah, have you looked at the oil yet?
I have looked at the oil, and it doesn't really look.
Can you even? I wonder if this camera's even.
It's like mega clean. Yeah, oil's mega clean. What I would like to do is get the oil pan dropped in it.
Yeah, see if there's any shavings.
But we're not gonna be able to do that before we buy it.
No.
Basically, what we're gonna have to do is just fire it up, Bradley.
Well, I've had an Evo, so I know what rod knock sounds like.
Yeah. So, even if the motor's toast, I feel like with this price that they're giving, like I can't go necessarily wrong on it. It could just be the blower making some noise. It definitely could be the blower because the motors are good for double the horsepower what they actually come out with. So if it's the motor, I'd be really surprised, but a bad tune will do that. You know, bad tune, bad fuel, over time, don't get it checked out.
I mean, who knows?
Anything could have happened, but if the blower's just making noise, maybe some bearings in there, that'd be ideal.
Oh yeah.
Should I fire it up?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Oh, pissed.
So you haven't heard it yet?
No, I've not.
All right.
I've not heard it.
Let's see what it sounds like. I don't imagine it's going to be good.
Yeah, let me know if I should immediately turn it back off.
Yeah, 66,000 looks like. Well, what do you think?
That doesn't scare me.
No?
That noise doesn't scare me.
Not as bad as I thought.
No, because like I was worried more like coming out the bottom of the car.
It's definitely in the head somewhere. It sounds like
it's either in the head or it might be that blower.
Could be.
Because if
it's up top for sure. Either way.
if you put your head right there on that side of the car over here and you like even just look at the blower, it looks like it could be coming from the blower or the top.
Yeah, could be a bad bearing in the blower even.
You want to check out the rest of the car, Bradley?
Yeah, kinda.
Show them I wouldn't even consider it, but I know it doesn't look like much to a lot of people, but it's relatively clean.
It is. It's a little dirty right now, but just body-wise, it's in really good shape.
So, I mean, and you could imagine, Bradley, this could all be polished.
Yes.
All.
You do a paint correction and a ceramic coat on here, it would look immaculate.
Even all this, like this is not done yet. I mean, there's some spots on it, like right here, where there's no more paint. And
sure. Easy touch-up.
I mean, let's just hope that it hasn't been polished too many times.
Yeah.
And title's clean title. Clean
Yeah.
title on this thing. I don't necessarily know how many owners on it, but even the top looks good.
Yeah.
It doesn't, yeah. I don't
A couple little stains, but man, this is, honest to God, it's not in bad shape. What is happening? Oh, we didn't plan this. And there's an SN95. What is happening today? There's Cobras everywhere.
Yeah, it's knocking pretty good. So I'm trying to talk Tyler there into buying it, put the Coyote in it.
What clutch is that?
You drove the 460 again?
There's nothing like
What clutch is that, Bradley?
that. Oh, hell, I don't know.
RST,
What color is it?
McLeod, something? Red?
Maybe McLeod, I don't know.
I mean, there's some oil here.
Okay.
There's a random ground here.
Oh, okay.
Not functioning anymore. What springs are these, Bradley?
What color are they?
It's got they come factory with Bilsteins, didn't they?
Yeah, those shocks are stock, but it's got lowering springs on it.
They're iBox.
Ibach?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long does this guy own this car? Todd?
3 months.
3 months. You know where he bought it from?
I'll buy here, pay here.
I think it was Topeka because I looked
Was it
up the VIN
Topeka?
number.
Oh, okay.
I looked up the VIN number and then it pulled up like an old post from Facebook or something. The guy was
okay.
out of Topeka or Wichita.
The motor might be toast.
Yeah. It doesn't sound good. And it's smoking. I can smell oil. It smells like it's burning oil, but
Yeah, we've got an oil leak somewhere.
He
Somewhere.
does all of our cars here.
They can probably find that, right?
Nervous 'cause
I would think so. House of Boost, yeah.
Yeah.
They can do about anything.
I had to get paint on that.
What do you think, Bradley? Should I buy it?
Well, you know what I'm gonna say,
Yeah.
but I'm biased. Genuinely, I think if you get it for what you think you're gonna get it for, I don't know how you could go wrong, even with putting a motor in it.
It's
guess
not. It's not really a rust bucket under here.
No, it actually looks pretty good.
You know.
Even the pinch welds on here look pretty good. A lot of times these get chewed up real bad, but these
Bradley, how many
These are fine. How many clip? Not as many as there should be. Oh, it's missing a few, I think.
You know what's crazy though? There's not an abundance of rock chips. Like, is there scuffs down here? Yes. But rock chip wise, like all this area is in good shape.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right, I think we should buy the project car.
You do? And not just because I said so?
Yeah, because I think there's a lot of things that we could reuse that are in it,
Yeah. It's
that
got a
aren't bad,
ton of aftermarket on it.
especially if the blower's still good. That would be ideal too.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just something on the top end. Hopefully something causing that oil
Yeah.
to be burning.
Let's hope it's all just one problem.
All one problem.
Yeah, right.
All right. All right, let's go get the truck and trailer.
All right.
Get after it.
All right, let's do it.
All right. All right, guys, the Cobra deal. The Project Cobra. What are we calling this? Project?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a good question. I didn't think about that.
I don't know. It's like Let's Eco More Boost Cobra project. This is literally our first one that we've ever done. First project car I've ever bought in my entire life. But it's gonna fit in the channel, I think, perfectly. You know what I mean? Like, we're not out there necessarily trying to be the fastest Explorer ST, like, and do all that stuff much anymore. But like, this is where I kind of want to gear it towards, especially with the YouTube. So yes, we got our 03, or is this, no, it's 03. It's an 03.
Yeah, it's an 03.
Yeah, we got our 03 Cobra bought. Now, if we're just taking real generic early guesses, the knocking motor doesn't really sound like a rod or anything crazy.
I'm calling it now. It's not a rod.
It sounds top end, so
It does.
I think at one point I have to tell you guys how much I actually bought this Cobra for, but we may wait till a later
Yeah.
date because it's an asinine price.
Absurd.
And you'd have been an idiot if you had the means to do it and not to pick it up and get it fixed. So,
Yeah.
yeah, we bought it. We're gonna load it up here on the trailer. And yeah, we'll start the build series. I gotta get a hold of House of Boost. We're gonna bring it up there next week just so they can kind of early see it and hear it and maybe diagnose it by ear. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing all fixed up at House of Boost. My plan is to get it fixed perfect motor-wise, get this thing polished up, put all the stuff that I need back on it. Noticing some, you know, rattling door, what are those called, doors?
Oh, like the door skin, the door panel,
yeah,
whatever
the
it
door
is.
panel, you know, we got some clips and stuff that are missing. I don't think there's all the clips in the front bumper anymore either.
Nah.
I don't think we're supposed to do that.
Probably
So,
not.
Yeah, I think we'll get all this stuff. It'll look really clean. I should take it to the car wash today just to see what it looks like.
Sure.
You know? But yeah, by the time we're done, we'll put the original stock wheels or replicas on it, polish it. It's gonna look sick.
You're good. Keep coming just a little bit. Stop. All right, you're good.
You get exhaust sound real quick?
Yeah, before the motor blows up. Yeah, send it. All right, shut it down. Smoking. Sounds good.
Oh shit.
You're gonna have to Dale Earnhardt it.
I could have easily taken my fenders off.
That's all right. That's just as easy. That's probably easier. Just get out like that.
Oh shit, Bradley.
Hell yeah. You're a Cobra owner now.
How'd the front end do?
I mean, it definitely scraped, but that, you know, that bumper is kind of sagging a little bit anyway.
How do we strap it?
Oh hell, I don't know. Guess we'll figure it out.
Thank you guys for following along. This is our first build. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully, maybe we'll get better at them as time goes on. But yeah, let's go. 03 Cobra, finally got one. Added another SVT to the stable.